Right, downpour is real. It has been nonstop since we've been here in the early afternoon, and you can see this wind is just pulling my umbrella everywhere. It even pulled it inside out. Now, those who are feeling it most, like you mentioned, are those in unincorporated areas. I actually met the Hernandez family whose garage was flooded. Now, we actually met them right here as they were preparing sandbags to bring back home. They tell me they believe the flood is going to set them back several $100s, but that, of course, does not include those priceless family heirlooms that were destroyed. Now, they believe that the flood was a few inches. They don't know exactly how deep. And while they tried to prepare, it wasn't enough.
Well, it sucks. You know, water ruins a lot of things. It started flooding into the garage all the way because our house sits real low and there's nowhere for the water to go.
Now, this isn't new to them. They say their home was also flooded last year. Well, that is all we have for now. We are, of course, going to continue to keep you updated on this. There we go. That's how strong the wind is throughout the week. For now, live in Yuba County, covering local news that matters, Juliet Smith, Fox 40 News. Stay dry, guys.